Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Hope everybody had a safe and nice weekend. Certainly getting cold around here in Chicago, and on Thursday, a winter storm is going to be moving across much of the upper Midwest. Heavier snows will be in eastern Oklahoma, eastern Kansas, eastern Iowa, northern Illinois, and Wisconsin. We also note that there'll be very heavy winds up to 30 miles per hour, so these will be somewhat hazardous blizzard conditions and tough for traveling. I think then temperatures get very cold with here in Chicago, maybe Saturday wind chill of -20. Also, weather-wise, Argentina looks to be getting some rain, start late this week into the weekend, maybe 75% coverage of a half to an inch half of rain. That's very welcomed rain. Next week, pretty much every day there's going to be 20-30% coverage of scattered showers up to 6/10 of an inch in Argentina. When it's all said and done, most of the country will see 6/10 of rain. So we'll see if this is a change in the atmosphere for Argentina to the better, or if it's just a one-hit wonder. As far as the other markets are concerned, again, talk about China stimulating their economy, maybe helping stocks, maybe helping crude, maybe helping the metals, and maybe helping the softs. Also maybe helping soybeans bounce off its lows. We still have corn lower and wheat mixed. So again, the war in Ukraine continues to escalate with bombing of cities and infrastructure. There's also concern about the possibility of a new attack, offensive by Russia, maybe on to Kiev or out of Belarus. And so we'll have to watch that and see if it has any implication as far as world corn trade out of the Black Sea or even wheat. There is talk about dropping the cap on sanctions of Russian oil prices. The $60 was probably too high. And then we're watching China pretty closely with cases of COVID continuing to increase. Here in the United States, there's a warning out of 3 viruses that have put people into hospitals. Number 1 is the respiratory virus, especially in children. Number 2 is flu, which is a big outbreak, and it also increased COVID cases. Hopefully they're all mild though. So mixed trade in the grains. A quiet week in front of the holidays is having anything but that with weather, what's going on in Ukraine, the Fed talking about increasing interest rates, and China uncertain demand. Have a good trading day. Stay safe out there as this storm moves across. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.